Hello everyone. So today I'm going to do a quick video of what £200,000 will get you in a boat. So this is a Fairline Phantom 40 behind me. It's from 2007. You have a quick view around, see what you think, see if 200 grand gets you a lot of boat. So, as we come into the saloon or lounge, you can see you've got seating here on the right hand side, good headroom, 6-foot, TV here, entertainment system, nice lounge, heating as well, so it is really like a house on the water. We'll have a look and see what else is in the boat. So here we are at the Helm Station. That's where you drive the boat from. You've got your throttles here, you've got your chart plotter, which is basically like a sat nav, so you can see where you're going and plan where you're going. So what do you get in a kitchen of a boat? Pretty standard, nothing exciting here. You've got your hot, cold water, your kind of hob, your microwave, combi oven there, and fridge. This boat's got 3 fridges. You've got one here, one in the kind of living room, lounge room, and then one up on the fly bridge. He calls them the drinks fridges, so it's pretty easy to have a party on here. But standard stuff really, nothing exciting. The kitchen is exactly what you get at home, and you can have all the appliances here as well. So this is the guest cabin that you get on the boat. You've got 2 single beds there. You can't stand there, but you can kind of sit up in bed kind of, but normally you'd have your head down this end. You've got hanging wardrobe there, lockers, and some storage and lockers there in this boat. This boat has 2 bathrooms, so each cabin has its own bathroom. So this is the bathroom to that cabin that we've just seen. Toilet, shower. You can stand up in there nice and easy. Kind of sliding doors, don't slide very well apparently. So here you've got the owner's kind of cabinet, owner's suite, whatever you wanted to call it. Again, with the hanging wardrobes, big centre double bed, island berth, like probably the same size, just a bit bigger than a normal double bed. And seating both sides. And I said earlier, this has got its own bathroom as well. So you've got your toilet, your shower, sink, cupboard space. Everything you kind of need really. So hopefully that answers the question on what £200,000 worth of boat gets you. Would you buy a boat? Would you spend 200 grand on it? Would you buy something else with 200 grand? Let me know. So hopefully I've made a boat tour as interesting as possible. I know it's probably a bit of a boring subject if you're not into them, but subscribe, comment below, and let me know what you think. See you next time.